Lake Bled, Slovenia. Lake Bled in Slovenia is a destination that looks like it was plucked straight out of a storybook. Surrounded by mountains and forests, this emerald green lake is best known for its picturesque island, Bled Island, which sits in the middle of the lake, crowned by a charming church. The image of the island with the towering Julian Alps in the background is one of the most iconic views in all of Europe. One of the most unique aspects of Lake Bled is the traditional wooden pletna boats that ferry visitors to Bled Island. These boats, rowed by skilled oarsmen, provide a serene and scenic way to reach the island, where you can ring the wishing bell in the Church of the Assumption. Legend has it that ringing the bell will make your wishes come true. For a panoramic view of the lake and its surroundings, a hike up to Bled Castle is a must. Perched on a cliff overlooking the lake, the castle offers stunning views and a glimpse into the region's history. Whether you're taking a leisurely walk along the lakeside promenade, enjoying a slice of the famous Bled cream cake at a local cafe, or simply basking in the tranquil beauty of your surroundings, Lake Bled is a destination that enchants and delights.